What do you think of when you hear the Pure Food and Drug Act?
I think I'm doing drugs.
Actually, the Pure Food and Drug Acts were put into law in the year 1906. It was the first of the series of significant consumer protection laws which was enacted by the federal government in the 20th century.
What? Who are you? Why do I need to know this?
I am your guilty conscience, and I'm here to tell you that doing drugs is bad. You need to know about the Pure Food and Drug Act because before it was enacted, food, drugs, medicine, liquor, and slaughterhouses were under no obligation to provide the American public with safe products. Now listen, when it was established, it led to the creation of the Food and Drug Administration.
Wow. I didn't realize that the Pure Food and Drug Act was so important.
Well, its main purpose was to ban foreign and interstate traffic in adulterated or mislabeled food and drug products. In addition, it directed the U.S. Bureau of Chemistry to inspect products and refer offenders to prosecutors. President Theodore Roosevelt signed both the Pure Food and Drug Act and the Federal Meat Inspection Act on the same day.
So is it only about drugs?
No, the Pure Food and Drug Act was initially concerned with ensuring that products were labeled correctly. Later, efforts were made to outlaw certain products that were not safe. This was followed by efforts to outlaw products that were safe but not effective.
Like what?
In the year 1903, the active ingredient in Coca-Cola was cocaine.
I thought you said drugs were bad!
Calm down, calm down. Later, it was replaced by caffeine due to the Pure Food and Drug Act. As a result of the Pure Food and Drug Act, there are now restrictions and regulations in place that keeps patent products from being distributed.
Well, that's a relief.
The Pure Food and Drug Act required that certain specified drugs, such as cocaine, heroin, morphine, cannabis, and even alcohol, be accurately labeled with contents and dosage. Previously, many drugs had been sold as patent medicines. Because of the Pure Food and Drug Act, foods such as raw meats are now labeled with consumer information, like the expiration date and nutritional facts.
What's a patent medicine?
Patent medicines should not be confused with pharmaceutical drugs. Patent drugs contain secret ingredients or misleading labels. These drugs continue to be legally available without prescription as long as they were labeled. It was estimated that the sale of patent medicines containing opiates decreased by 33% after labeling was mandated.
I have to go now. I won't do drugs anymore, and I'll check the labels on food. Thank you, Conscience.